dressed up?
That's right. I'm going to factory.
Oh my god!
Factory.
Yay!
And I'm super excited.
Yeah, are you gonna take your Henry with you?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes. Let's go together. Come, let's go together, guys. Come, let's go. Factory.
GB, are we there?
Yeah.
GB is super excited.
I found one pneumatic. Mommy, look.
Yes, Henry's. Also, guys, they're making a new factory there. Look, there's a new building getting ready. Yes. So they're making a new building.
Oh, they're
Look.
using brooms.
And now we're nearly there. We're gonna enter. Ta-da! Is there?
Hatching Henry J. Charles.
So guys, GBhenry is in the factory and we're off. We're off to the office. Come on, let's go. You found what, sorry?
I found pneumatic boxes. Look there.
Boxes? Oh yeah, look at this. GB found pneumatic boxes. Oh, there they are. Oh, they have hoovers inside. Yes.
Just leave this on the side for now.
Okay, this is so good products made. Obviously, we're not just Henry.
मेरा हाथ पकड़ो.
So yeah, feel free to play, turn things on, go look.
Wow, look at this. Look at this one. Oh wow. Look at this. They've got this cordless spray too. Wow.
Oh, that's so cool.
Wow, this is new. This is different. This is different. Look. This has a battery sign too. Oh, this is cordless. Oh, this is a new version.
Come here. Let's look at that.
Oh wow, the same as your one, but this is the cordless one. This is new.
I need charge.
Oh, so they've got a new version coming, which is cordless. Is this new? This is new, cordless.
Yes.
New, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, without the wire.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. New collection.
Maybe the battery. Yeah. So
No,
maybe
it's
the battery's
cordless.
not on.
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah.
Maybe the battery's not on.
Yeah.
Oh, it's charged.
It's charged. So how do you turn this on? Oh! Wow. Wow, this is big. GB, look. Look at the filters inside. GB, look. GB, look. The filters inside. Look. Oh, wow.
This one is so big.
Oh, this is big. This is huge.
This is so huge.
Mm.
Whoa, guys, look here. Let's hold it.
Wow, look at these. How cute they are. Look. Look, Stevie. Look. Oh.
So that's our industrial ones. That's our trade line. That's for like builders and things.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah.
GB, do you like it? Yeah? Is it heavy?
Very tough, isn't it?
This is cordless as well now. No?
Yeah. At least I'm not sure if it's got.
Oh, they
no,
have
it's
wire.
cordless,
Yeah.
this one.
So the cordless is your new collection. Is it already in shops? No.
Yeah, we've got certain ones still in stock. They're introducing more and more as we
Yeah,
go along.
because I haven't seen them in stock yet. The cordless
no.
one, no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, the white
They're
one.
not all Henry called us.
Yeah, I've got Henry Quick. I've got red one, Henry Quick. Yeah, it's good.
And you guys can from
Wow! Oh my God! Look at the drawings. Oh, the two lights. This is the very lightweight. Wow!
This is plastic.
Oh yes.
Vanilla.
Wow.
The other shop. This is.
Wow! This black one is so
I
good.
like the black one.
You like the black one, yeah?
Oh, we've got this already.
Yeah, we've got this already.
Yeah, it's outside.
Yeah.
I've been using it.
Mhm.
Oh,
Oh wow! This is nice. This is huge. Oh wow! Look at it has a brush. It has a brush.
big hole.
Yes. Oh look! There's another one there. What is this? Oh, this is the backpack we've seen in the Henry. This is the backpack. Oh yeah.
The good steamer.
Oh wow! This is nice. We need to buy one of these. Oh, I haven't seen this in shop. Let me see. Oh, it doesn't have a pump. Oh, it has a water pump. It comes with a water pump. Oh, I haven't seen this in shops. No.
I think you can buy it direct from My Henry.
Oh, right. Okay.
The only thing that I personally
Yeah.
don't like these because they're braced backwards.
Oh, yeah, forward.
Which seems strange to me.
Oh, so we can't even twist this.
Yeah, I mean, you could probably unscrew it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, yeah.
Work with it.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. I think
Yeah,
it's strange.
yeah.
What's your favourite Henry?
Oh, wow. So what do you call this room?
So this is our showroom.
Showroom.
Yeah.
Oh, this white one.
I saw this vacuum on YouTube.
Yes, you have seen this?
This is one.
Oh, this is nice as well.
This is a big. Guys,
Look at this one.
Guys, guys, come here.
Huh?
It came with the old switch.
Ah,
For building.
Builders, yes.
This one's for the yellow one.
The yellow one? What's that for?
I don't know.
He doesn't know. What is this for?
This one's for hazardous. It's
Hazardous,
wax.
yeah.
So if you're sucking up things like asbestos,
Uh-huh.
nothing comes out the back end. So it's all
Oh.
contained within a vacuum.
So it's like only there's back pressure, but only some
Ah. GB's in love with this one, guys. Over there too. Oh, it's quite lightweight, you know. Over there. Yeah. Oh, it's gone. It's very powerful.
bit dusty for me. It's difficult.
Oh,
Oh, that's
it's not heavy. No, it's not that heavy. It's not heavy as the one you have.
oh, that is a bit. Is this a bit dusty?
All the dust are inside. Yeah.
Wait, put it on. Don't put it like this way. That's why I like put it like this.
No, other way around.
Yeah, I have to put it this way. Oh no.
Yes.
And then this is corner.
Yeah, let's park it backwards. No, we have to park it back.
On your own. Go on.
This backpack. This is a cordless one.
This is for the
Wait,
on and
wait,
switch
wait.
button.
Yeah, this is the battery.
No, this is not battery.
No, this is cordless. This is new collection. It's cordless. Yes. This is, I think this is a new collection of cordless. They're all cordless. Oh! This is also on.
No, don't turn
This is a cleaner.
this around.
This is cleaner. This is also a cleaner. There's brushes there. Ooh, wow. This is huge. What's this for? This is metal.
Yeah, I think that's just a big industrial one.
Oh, this is for the factories, GB. This is huge. This is metal.
What is this, boys?
This goes on at the front, I think.
Oh, guys.
Yeah, this is metal too. No, plastic. This is metal. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, look at this.
New brushes. They're so difficult. I know. I don't go.
So GB's gonna clean the room with this. Yes. And so this is one of them. This is, I think these are the new ones. Fast charge, long life, flexible power. Okay, come on. Okay, let's go that side. So this is the steamer and steam, yes. Oh, the mopping area. This is the mopping area.
This is NUMATIC.
Oh, look. They've got this as well.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, they've got this area too. Yes. Oh, it's not charged. Same as ours. What is this? This is home and garden and cleaning products. GBhenry's resting. Oh, this is on. Yeah. Oh, so this is nice. This is very easy to use. Yeah. This is also wireless. Wow.